Arrive in style with this 2019 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.